What's cooking, everybody? Dave Altizer here with Kinotika, and today we're talking about creative ways to use your GoPro. GoPro cameras are marketed towards people who are doing high action sports, people who like to go skydiving, do motocross, skateboarding, down epic mountain slopes. Chances are you're not going to be doing high action things every single day. So we made this video to get you to think outside the box and be more creative with your GoPro. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you really liked it, give us a thumbs up. If you hated it, give us another thumbs up. Have you used your GoPro in creative ways? If you have, let me know in the comment section below. Once again, I'm Dave Altizer. This is a video that we shot back in December that only got 900 views, so we put it together with an intro and an outro to make it a little bit newer and fresher for our new audience. See you next time.